everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we are going to be further reviewing the Longer Nano Pro 12 watt mini laser. Now this is a compact and versatile laser, and due to the small nature of it, it is a great tool to pack in the car and take to do live demos if you do a lot of craft shows and everything, for people to see what a laser is potentially capable of. Now this is a very small and compact laser. As I said, I'm holding it just right there with my single thumb there on my left hand. But you guys remember a couple weeks ago we unboxed, assembled, and reviewed just a machine here, but Longer went above and beyond when they sent me that laser, and they also included the slide extension and the rotary attachment, because keep in mind, because this laser is so small, it's only able to engrave on a 4-inch square surface area, but these attachments that I'm about to show you in today's video is going to be able to maximize to where you can make bigger and more versatile items with just that little laser, and I'm excited to bring those to the platform for you. This laser is also a great option in case you do not have the room to dedicate to a full-size laser like I have behind me. When you get a full-size laser, you need an enclosure, you need a honeycomb spool board, you need air assist, you need software like the laptop behind me to run it on, you need a way to pipe out all of the fumes. This little laser here is all in one, so please keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do today is do some demos on cardboard. Cardboard is a very versatile way to test files and things to make sure everything works before you use the more expensive hardwoods, plywoods, and exotic woods like that for laser engraving if you like to do a lot of woodworking like I like to do. So I've got a cardboard box that I have broke down to use for the slide extension demo, and then I've got a cardboard tube here that I'm going to use for the rotary extension. I believe a poster or something like that, a banner came in this, I can't remember which, but I'll get everything cut down to proper size and I'll show you how easy it is to install the attachments on the Longer Nano Pro. Let's get started. And before we get started, here is a look of the slide and rotary attachments with the Longer Nano Pro mini laser, as well as the riser block for added height. And we'll begin by using the slide extension, and I'll show you how to install it. You unhook and remove the shield and remove the laser head, and attach the riser block and screw it in place, and then put the laser head on it. And then you take the corresponding cord and connect it to the laser and the slide extension, and it's ready to be used. A very simple process. And I'll put a piece of cardboard in the laser bed, and now you see me framing out the Halloween design we will be doing. And for all of the work in today's video, I'll be using the new Laser Burn app that Longer has introduced, to where I can run the laser entirely from my phone as well as the attachments. And we'll begin engraving. And you will see that I have a filter over the footage here, because when I brought the footage back from the workshop and put it on my computer, it was just a lot of bright blue lights flashing, and this filter for me just helps me see the process a little bit better on the computer, and hopefully for you guys as well. But as you can see, it is quickly engraving everything here. It only took around 7 or 8 minutes to engrave this Halloween picture here that I found. It is an SVG file with classic Halloween characters. I felt it was appropriate, but you can see that the slide extension is moving ever so slightly as it engraves, maximizing the workspace of the Nano Pro mini laser. And again, anytime you're running a laser, you never walk away from it, and you always wear safety goggles while it is running. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. I'd really appreciate the support. And I want to also thank Longer for trusting me with these reviews. But now that the slide extension has been demoed, I will now show you how to put on the rotary attachment. And it's pretty much the same formula here. You remove the red shield and attach the riser block, and then attach the laser to it, and then you take the cord and hook up the rotary attachment, and you are ready to use it. And this was an attachment I was very unfamiliar with. The slide extension was very straightforward. but I will show you it in use in today's video. Once again, I have this filter here, and since I didn't know what I was doing, I done my logo really small, and I was amazed at how quickly the rotary attachment done this. So then I went and I did it even bigger to where it would hopefully come up better on camera, and I moved the camera a little bit closer. And I hope you guys appreciate this filter to where you're not seeing those bright blue lights flashing. I can really see the rotary attachment really being an added accessory to where you can engrave mugs, anything round, glassware, drinkware, drink tumblers, coffee cups, and really put your own spin and personalization on projects you create out in your garage or workshop. And I also believe that this rotary attachment will also work on the other lasers. It came with another cable for me to attach it to the longer Ray 5 lasers or their bigger B1 lasers. So that is really cool. You can see that the rotary attachment is moving ever so slowly as it is engraving my logo here. And I was really amazed with the quality of how everything came out. And I'm overall very happy with the quality of everything that Longer has sent me. They offer great customer support, and I would highly recommend them if you guys want to get into 3D printing or laser engraving. But now that it is done, we'll take a quick look here at the finished piece once it is done engraving. And again, the detail was just so amazing in this piece. But that is the slide and rotary attachments, just a basic usage of them in this video. And here they are again. The slide attachment is on the left and the rotary attachment is on the right. And that is now my full, complete, and honest review of the Longer Nano Pro 12-watt mini laser. This is my second video on the product, and I am very happy with it. Again, in the very first video, we came over onto the channel and unboxed, assembled, and tested just the machine itself by making 5 small simple projects. And at the end of that video, I asked you guys if you want to see me come back over here on the channel and install and test the slide extension and rotary attachment, and that is what today's video was about. But I hope it shows off what this powerful mini laser is capable of once you add those accessories. It's a very capable and versatile tool to have in your arsenal out in your garage or workshop. I want to once again thank Longer for trusting me with reviewing their products. Of course, I have Longer 3D printers that print quality 3D prints. I have the bigger, longer Ray 5 20-watt diode laser behind the camera that is running, and now I have the Nano Pro 12-watt mini laser with all of its attachments. And I want to also thank Longer for sending me this nice navy blue polo shirt in my size with their logo embroidered right there on the pocket. So thank you guys for going above and beyond. Of course, they are a phenomenal company. They have great customer support, and anytime you reach out to them, they quickly get back to you with answers and feedback. They also have support groups over on social media like Facebook to where you can join them, get feedback, ask questions, and of course share your creative designs that you make with your Longer lasers and 3D printers. Please keep in mind, in today's video, for what I did, I had to remove the red safety shield on the Nano Pro. So I was always wearing my safety goggles. Of course, I wear these anytime the lasers are running out in the workshop to protect my eyes. So please keep that in mind. Of course, there may be instances to where if you install the rotary or slide extensions that you can keep the cover here on it that protects your eyes. It of course has that dust vent in the back to pipe all of that stuff away from you. In today's video, I just had a fan on everything pushing out all of the fumes right out of the shop door, so just please keep that in mind. And in today's video, we just used some basic upcycled cardboard. Again, this is a great way for me personally out here in the workshop to test designs without having to use up the expensive exotic hardwoods and plywoods that I bring out into the workshop. And of course, in my area, cardboard is very plentiful due to people doing online shopping. There's always cardboard boxes to break down, and just a great way to upcycle. And for the slide extension, we used a nice Halloween design here. I just felt it was appropriate with Halloween being right around the corner. You have the classic Halloween characters here. And this is just a basic SVG file that you can purchase on sites like Etsy for a few dollars. That's American currency. And then load them into your lasers or your vinyl cutters or anything like that that you like to use. So this is one of those designs. You can see they all came out nice and crisp here. And this is just the basic design that I loaded into the software and used in today's video, but you can always go above and beyond with designs. Of course, you could put Happy Halloween up under here. I could have cut out a perimeter all the way around the characters and put magnets on it and made it a refrigerator magnet. Of course, with it being cardboard, it is very, very light. So I always encourage people to think outside of the box when it comes to the designs they pick up for laser engraving, as well as scroll saw woodworking. They offer several possibilities and capabilities for creative designs. I then off camera flipped it over and engraved my name there, just playing in the cell phone app. And you heard me correctly, cell phone app. Longer now offers a app, Laser Burn, that you can download for free in the App Store to use with the Nano Pro. I did not use Lightburn in any way, shape, or form in today's video. You guys know that is my standby for doing laser demos. Because I'm so familiar with the Lightburn software, I have now had time to play with the Laser Burn software that Longer offers, and that is what I engraved today's designs with. But after the slide extension, we installed the rotary attachment, and that is an attachment that I'm very unfamiliar with. I have the other roller style rotary attachment from Longer, and I played around with it some, but not as much as I probably should have. And since I was more unfamiliar with it, I didn't really know what I was doing in the app. I started really, really small on this basic upcycled cardboard tube I cut down and done my logo here, very, very small, but you can see how nice and crisp it came out. Then I just kept enlarging it and seeing how good it would come out. And the biggest one I made right beside the original small one, you can see how nice and crisp it still is. And of course you can feel that with it being cardboard, the engraving there. But of course with that rotary attachment, that is where you can maximize your profits with this small laser. You can engrave on glass tumblers. If you would turn cups, you could engrave designs on those. Of course, glass drinkware. The skies are the limits with that rotary attachment, and the only limitation with a laser is your imagination, so please keep that in mind. But I'm very happy with how the test came out today for prototyping with the cardboard, and I'm really excited to use everything in the future. And I want to once again thank Longer for trusting me with these reviews. I hope they have liked the 2 videos I have done on the Nano Pro. I have further videos planned for the Longer Ray 5 20-watt diode laser, which is of course the main workhorse laser out here in the workshop. I have some creative Christmas designs that I want to bring to the channel, and I hope you guys look forward to them. And I hope you have found this video informative. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.